Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. My boy Todd from Shirt Show. He came out with some distress caps. I got a couple of those. So let's go ahead and unbox them and see what they look like. And these are the distressed caps. I believe they are from Hologramme, if I'm not mistaken. But let's go ahead and get right into it here. Got the yellow distress cap. And again, these are by Hologramme. And I got the orange stress cap. These are summer caps here. Oh, it's got, I was going to say, what is that? A little piece of plastic in there. It's kind of funky looking. But yeah, these are 59s. Again, I got these at shirtshow.co. And they do have the elastic band on the back, so it gives you a little more stretch if you have a little bit bigger head. So I'm going to pause the video, give it a close-up on with the other camera here, and show you what they look like up close. All right, here is a close-up of the distressed caps. Again, this is the orange version and the yellow version. This is more of like a yellow and blue type look. And you can see the distressed look, which I kind of like a lot. Brim. And these are size 59 centimeters. And they are made by Hologramme Paris. And that is the yellow. And here is the orange. The orange is, I don't know if that's blue or black. Can't really tell. But even if it's not black, they both look good. Again, the elastic back on the back here stretches out. And they came in a red, I think a green, and a blue as well. But that's a close-up of them. Great looking caps. Single panel caps. Let's go ahead and try them on now. Be right back. All right, so the first one we're going to try on is the yellow. And it looks like it's yellow and like a dark, deep navy blue here. I'm pretty sure that's what color that is. But I like that distressed look. It's going to look good with all the sweating I do in the summertime. That way you won't be able to tell much on the cap. So let's go ahead and try it on. Again, these are size 59. There's the first one. Yeah, this looks great. This looks really good. Again, these are, if you're a Michigan Wolverines fan like I am, this will look good with the maize and blue. Yeah, this looks really nice. And I'm kind of glad I got this cap because I end up having the Sweetwater by Boston Scally, the yellow and blue Sweetwater, but it ended up getting too big because of all my weight loss. So I ended up getting rid of it. But yeah, this is it here. Like, this is the yellow version. Again, that's a great looking cap. Let me go ahead and unzoom a little bit here. Bring this down a smidge. Yeah. That looks amazing. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and try the orange one on. And the orange, and I believe this is orange and navy as well. So guess what else we'll go with? If you're a Detroit Tigers fan like myself. They just now beat the Yankees in the NBA 5-0. Yeah, give the Yankees 2 losses in a row for you Yankee fans. Tigers are a lot more fun to watch nowadays. But yeah, this is the orange one. Orange and navy, dark navy blue. Really good looking cap. And let me know what you guys like between the two. This is the orange one here, and then the yellow. Let me know what you guys like more. I think I like the orange more. That looks pretty good. All right, again, this is Reviews of Moose. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Pick these up at shirtshow.co. Use the coupon code DISTRESSED, and you'll get free shipping. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good one.